Welcome back to the channel, Bike Rider. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting cruiser motorcycles for 2025, the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner looking to step into the world of cruisers, the Vulcan S offers a unique blend of style, performance, and accessibility. Let's break down what makes this bike stand out in 2025. Design and styling. The 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S maintains its aggressive and sleek cruiser styling, but with a few modern tweaks. The muscular, low-slung stance, highlighted by bold lines and strong curves, continues to capture attention on the road. The new color options and matte finishes give it an edgier look, while the redesigned LED headlights and tail lights offer better visibility and a futuristic feel. Kawasaki's attention to detail in the design ensures the Vulcan S is both a head-turner and an incredibly comfortable ride. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Vulcan S lies a 649cc parallel twin engine which delivers a perfect mix of power and efficiency. The engine is smooth, responsive, and perfectly tuned for cruising around town or tackling longer highway stretches. With about 61 horsepower, the Vulcan S offers more than enough punch for everyday riding. The 6-speed gearbox is precise, and Kawasaki's unique ErgoFit system allows you to customize the seating position for a more personalized and comfortable ride. Handling and ride comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 Vulcan S is its excellent handling. The chassis is lightweight, yet stable, providing a confident ride whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on open highways. The 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wheels, combined with the adjustable suspension, ensure a smooth, stable ride across various road conditions. The upright riding posture and low seat height also make the Vulcan S incredibly accessible for riders of all sizes. Technology and features. Kawasaki has equipped the 2025 Vulcan S with several smart features to enhance your riding experience. The new TFT display offers clear visibility of your ride stats, with the option to connect your smartphone for even more functionality. You'll also find improved traction control, which adds an extra layer of safety and confidence, especially in challenging road conditions. The ABS system, coupled with well-tuned brakes, provides a responsive and secure stopping power when you need it most. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S offers a perfect balance of style, comfort, and performance, making it an ideal choice for both novice and experienced riders. With its customizable fit, modern features, and powerful engine, it's ready to take on whatever roads you want to ride. If you're considering a cruiser for 2025, the Vulcan S is definitely worth a closer look.